Casal de Sant Jordi and Alcoi Fiestas Museum. This former ancestral home built in the 18th century is the headquarters of Sant Jordi's association, which organises and governs the Moors and Christians festival. With its large, spacious rooms and imposing hallway, it is particularly renowned for the artistic banister on the main staircase and the original flooring in the main hall. Visitors can also admire the rises on the staircase, which are made of tiles depicting the various costumes traditionally worn by the Moorish or Christian armies called filaes during the April festival. The association has installed the Fiestas Museum in the building, exhibiting a selection of objects and elements from the Moors and Christians festival. Multimedia and audiovisual technology is used to recreate the festivities, which have been officially declared to be of international tourist interest. The Moors and Christians festival is a commemoration of local history set in the period of the Christian conquest in the 13th century that shows the identities of the Moors and Christians revived through music, colour and lavish parades.